Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to connect a FiveM server on Localhost, step by step. First, click the link in the description to download the FiveM build zip. Once it's downloaded, open it and copy everything. Next, paste it into the folder where you want your local server to be. Wait a moment while it transfers. All files should be in place now. Now we need CFX and the server resources. Click the link in the description to download them, go to the zip, and extract everything to your desktop. Open the folder and copy only the MD files and the resources you need, nothing extra. Paste them into your server folder, replacing files if prompted. If you're new to this, I highly recommend watching the Dunko tutorial first. It will help you set up your server without errors or missing files. Once everything is set up correctly, you can replace the default resources with your own if you have a purchased server. And that's it. That's how you set up and connect a FiveM server on Localhost. If this video helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.